Hunter's Vending. Welcome back to another vending video, y'all. Today we're going to be swapping snack machines around because one of my snack machines is beeping and making a lot of noise. It's going in program mode by itself. So what I'm going to do is grab one of the snack machines I just bought. If you haven't watched that video, watch it right here. And I'm going to be swapping it with that temporarily until I figure out what's wrong with that snack machine, why it's constantly going into program mode by itself. So it's just beeping and making a lot of noise and it's driving the workers crazy. So I'm going to swap that out. And I'm here at Home Depot grabbing my LED lights because I couldn't find this light. I had to order it. So I'm going to put this in, this LED strip, which it costs about $20. Pretty expensive for a light. But other than that, man, just gonna keep moving and grooving and keep making moves, man. Money moves. But I'm over here in this section because the lighting is beautiful, isn't it? I know it, I know it. Once I swap those snack machines out, I'm gonna go out and look for some more snack machines and soda machines because I have a lot more locations that I have to provide soda and snack machines. So you guys ride along with me on my journey to 50 locations by the end of the year, y'all. Let's get it. Right now I'm looking for a tool backpack. It's gonna help me get organized with all my stuff all over the place. All right, so no backpack, but I got my LED lights. I'll have to find that at a different Home Depot. I'll probably just order off of Amazon. Say hi, girls.
Hi.
All right, so we're at the other Home Depot looking for the tool backpack. And I'm gonna grab a shelf, storage shelf. Get on this side, girls. The next Home Depot line is looking like. So I guess they don't have the shelves I'm looking for. I'm not looking for those ones. Looking for the plastic ones. All right. So right here we got the tool backpack, y'all. This is exactly what I've been looking for. I think it's like $100. So my tools are all over the place. This is gonna help me get organized when I am. Oh, hey, you better relax before you fall. Telling you, that's not gonna be pretty. Right, you better be careful. What is this right here, Mia?
A tool backpack.
A what?
A tool backpack.
Is that right? All right, so y'all heard it, tool backpack, man. Time to get organized. All right, sit down, okay? I'm gonna push the basket. You old silly. Careful, okay? Right, so I'm not going with anything else. They didn't have the shelves there, so I'm gonna have to check out a different Home Depot. Again, the third one. And I'm rocking with just the backpack. I'm gonna check Walmart out for the little totes. But other than that, man, we headed to the vending store to go shopping and spend some more money, man. Let's do it. All right, we checking out in the backpack. Did you hear it? Yeah. All right.
Mama. Baby.
The whole Hunter family here today. The whole family. This is rare.
All girls?
Watch your feet. All girls. Man, I know.
Man, I don't even want to tell you what's going to happen in 10 to 12 years. Be nice to your dad.
Thank you. See, be nice. You heard what he said?
Yeah.
Be nice and listen to your dad, okay? Even when you get older.
See how hard your dad
Okay.
is working for your
Yeah.
guys' future and all your nice clothes.
This out, y'all. I'm tired of shopping, so I'm about to go all out with this one, y'all. I'm buying the big old boxes of chips. I'm buying all the candy I need, all the soda I need, man. We getting stocked up. Say, we getting stocked up.
We're getting stocked up.
So that guy you see back there blessed me with about 6 free vending machines. So what happened was he needed to make room in his backyard. So he posted his number on Craigslist. This is why I said you guys got to pay attention for these blessings, man. So I called him. He was like, just come pick them up. So I just started taking as many of them as I could. Ran back into him. He's way out 3 hours away, you guys. I just so happened to run back into him right here, y'all. And he told me he had 20 more machines that he's trying to get rid of, man. Talking about, man. So I'm going to pick those up, man. Let's get back to loading this up, man. All right, y'all. So that's what we're rocking with the chips. We're going all out now, man. This is 10 boxes of different chips. What y'all think it is, man? Checking out. We got 10, wait. That's 9 boxes. And then 55? Yeah, 9 boxes and then 51 boxes, 55 chips.
Yeah, I have to do this exhibit.
Cool. It don't look pretty, but we got it loaded, y'all. Have arrived. So me and my wife are gonna go ahead and knock this out real quick. We'll catch y'all inside. Me and my wife got it down and we headed in. Hey. Stop right there. All right. Bye-bye to the 4-row. Hello, 3-row. All right, so this snack machine right here, it'll go into cycle mode, program mode, and it'll just start beeping and you won't be able to use anything. But it has a mind of its own. It cuts on and off when it wants. So I'm just gonna switch it out and figure out what's wrong with it. A little preview. What it do? Option. And this snack machine is a 3507 FSI. All right, the next step is we're about to put our lights, our LED lights in here. I do not have the right light bulb for this one, so we went and bought LED lights from Home Depot. Show y'all this ahead of time. I'm pulling the money from here to put in here. So if y'all ever watch my video and wonder why money is down here, it's because I'm pulling it. Let's check the snack machine out, see if it goes back into program mode. All right, so I'm gonna wiggle this button right here, or this harness. That's what it is. That's exactly what it is. And then that's what it does all day, beeps. So whatever the heck this is, they rigged it and did something. It's time to throw the LED lights on.
There's the instruction.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you. Y'all know what God said, right? In the beginning, he said, let there be. Oh yeah. Hunter family, baby. Hunter's Vending. We out here, baby. We got the snack, and we just moved it out in a timely manner because it was acting up, as I told you guys before. So we're gonna work on that one at home, order some parts, and just do what we gotta do to bring it back in here because we need a bigger machine in here. So this right here is temporary. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and show me some love, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in, and catch y'all in the next video. We out.